So, Eder, guess what I did yesterday?
You booked us to a nice conference, which looks like, for me, taking me to Peppa Pig World.
I know. So I booked us to go the 2 days, the Lean Summit in Liverpool. On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
Very excited. 10,
Yes,
10,
10,
yeah,
10.
11.
Yeah. And we're going to do the Toyota visit on the next day.
Yes.
So we're going to Liverpool in April.
Yeah.
So we're going to learn lots of stuff about Lean and how we can improve
So
the company,
exciting.
aren't we?
Yeah, so exciting.
What?
I really appreciate you taking the time for it, because for quite more longer than a year, I'm preaching about Lean inside the company, but it's going to be nice for me to see you listening from other business managers and leaders and big guys who know this more than from books like I do. So yes, I'm very excited for us to go there.
Yeah, because they're doing workshops, and then they're going to break off in groups and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to see other people. So obviously, I'm keen to learn about Lean, because that's going to help us in the development of the company and all the exciting stuff that's coming in the summer
definitely.
that we keep sort of tempting our viewers with. But obviously, it'll all come together when we see it. But so we're very excited about that, aren't we? So, am I your favourite person right now?
Yeah, no, yes. It's very exciting, because companies normally they send somebody from the company because leaders do not have time to learn about Lean, and I really appreciate the fact that you are taking the time to learn, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy it, and the benefits, the return of investment, it will be great for the company.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.